Now we're going to be speaking about our Neo 10. Let's start with the battery. The battery is a 48 volt, 13 amps. The speed you're going to be roughly getting on this one is about 24 to 25 miles per hour. Now the difference between the Neo 9 and the Neo 10, it's the Neo 10 has a bigger board. You may be looking at the reviews and thinking, you know, the Neo 9 is similar to the Neo 10 when it comes to the specs, but the board that you get on the Neo 10 is quite bigger. You get bigger tires as well, so 10-inch tires. Range-wise, you're looking at about 30 to 31 miles range-wise for this one. It does come with a 600 watts motor. I would say the weight of the scooter is about 20.5 kilos. So it is a bit heavy, obviously, because of the bigger board and the bigger wheels. Everything's much bigger on it. The max load on the Neo 10 is about 120 kilos as well as our previous one. The reason why I went for the Neo 9 because it is smaller for me. It's easier for me to carry up the stairs and down the stairs. So that's why I would want to go for the Neo 9 instead of the Neo 10. This one also comes with a front and back suspension as well, which is really good. The charging time for this one is about 6 to 8 hours, I would say. Again, like I say always, look at the charger. When it's turned green, that means it's fully charged. And also it has an LCD screen where you can change the speeds from 1 to 3. And if there's any problems with the scooter, the LCD screen allows you to, it tells you what the problem is and you'll be able to sort it out.